We'll guide you through how to enable the TPM in the BIOS on a motherboard. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on a laptop or PC, it doesn't matter. So in order for certain games or maybe even apps to go and work, this needs to go and be enabled. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on exactly what you need to go and do. As without it, certain things won't go and work. So we're going to walk you through this. So to go and get started, we need to go and enter the BIOS. My preferred way of going and entering in the BIOS is you want to come down and you need to go and find the Windows Start key just here, and you want to go and click on it. Or you can go and press the Windows key on your keyboard. And then what you need to do is you come over to the right and you go and find the power button and click there. You've got these options, and what you want to do is you need to go and hold down, left shift, and you go and click restart at the same time. This is going to go and start Windows recovery mode. And from there, we can go and enter in the BIOS. So when this opens up, you want to go and press troubleshoot. Then you can go and press advanced options, and you can press UEFI firmware settings and go and press restart and wait. The startup menu has now started and we want to get the BIOS set up. So I can go and press F10 like so, and then it'll go and enter. Now BIOSes can go and look different on different computers. I find this one a really easy one to navigate. And also the TPM setting can be called different things. It can be called TPM, FTPM. It can also go and be called PTT as well on Intel. So it does really go and vary. On some motherboards, you can actually go and search. On this one though, it's actually in security. On other motherboards, it can be in a section called security device support or trusted computing as well. It does go and vary. But then as you can see, we've gone and got TPM state. So you want to go and click there and press enter. So you navigate this with the arrows, and then you can go and press enter with TPM state selected, and you want to make sure it's set to enabled. On some motherboards, you can just go and press escape and save it. Otherwise, come along to exit using the arrow keys, and then you can go down and you can go and press save changes and exit and press enter, confirm a decision, and it'll then restart. We're now back, and that's it.